Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Mono. Today in this lecture I am going to share with you some of the very basic and easy understanding on grammar, and this video is for some students who asked me how can we change a verb into adjective. So this is the first part of the video, that with a rule that we can change a verb to an adjective by placing suffix at the end of some particular verbs. So we have to understand first what a verb is and what an adjective is. You all know a verb means that which shows an action. A word that which shows an action is called verb in English. And an adjective means words that describe more about a noun. Noun means a word that names a person, place, things or ideas, anything like that. So naming word is called noun, and if there is a word that tells more about a noun is called adjective in English grammar. So here the question is, how can we change a verb to an adjective? So there is a rule that we can keep in our mind, that if we add a particular suffix, there are many suffixes that we can add, but in this video I am going to share with you suffix able. If we add at the end of some particular verbs, then that will change into adjective. So here you can see on the board some of the examples. The first verb I have written here for you is eat. It means it shows an action. How can we change this verb to an adjective? By adding able, eatable. Let's see an example like I eat an apple every day. So here is a person who does the work, that is called I, and I do an action that is called eat, and what I eat is called object. If I want to tell more about that particular apple, then how can we change that sentence? Eatable. Apple is an eatable fruit. So I hope this is clear to you. The second example here I have given for you, love. I love my sister. I love my sister. So here the verb is love. And if I want to tell something more about my sister, then I should use lovable. My sister is lovable. My sister is a lovable person. So here lovable is used as an adjective that tells more about the person, sister, in this sentence. Let's see the next verb, do. I do homework every day. What I do? Homework. And homework is known as object in this sentence, and the action that shows with the verb do. I do homework every day. So if I want to tell something more about that particular task you normally do at home, and that is called homework. So if we want to tell more about that particular task, homework, then how can we change that, or how can we just use that doable in a sentence? Homework is an easily doable task. Homework is an easily doable task. So that way we can use this verb do into adjective doable. So let's see the next verb here is break. He breaks a glass. He breaks glass. What he breaks? Glass. And he is doing an action. The person, he does an action that is called he breaks. Something breaks. And if you want to tell more about that particular glass, it's breakable. Glass is breakable. That glass is breakable. So we can use this break verb into adjective breakable. In that way, he breaks glass and that glass is breakable. So let's see the last example here, wash. Washable. Wash means something that normally we do. We wash our clothes. I wash my clothes every day. Wash, that shows an action. And if I want to tell more about a particular cloth, that is washable. These clothes are washable, means we can wash that clothes. I hope this video helped you to understand some of the basic ideas on how a verb can be changed into adjective by placing suffix able. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any videos whenever I upload. Keep learning.